Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today is Saturday and this video is a little bit different. This past week I have been out there in between working and doing the other things that we all do, run errands and everything. I've been out there canvassing the area, trying to get people to vote. So if you haven't voted, don't forget to go out there and vote. So like I said, today is Saturday, and this video is a little bit different than some of the videos that I normally do. Today I want to talk a little bit about my family. Do y'all know I have the nicest grown children? I really do, you guys. So my daughter, first of all, my daughter's a very loving person. She's always thinking of others. She has 3 girls of her own, and she has a super nice husband. But she comes in yesterday, we're just sitting here chilling. So she comes in yesterday with this cookware set. So I thought it was really funny because she always cracks on my cookware, y'all. She's always cracking on my cookware. And so, she comes in with this really big box with this super nice Teflon cookware set. And it doesn't have any of those BPAs. I think that's the acronym. But it doesn't have any of that. The cookware set is really, really nice. But she cracks on my cookware set. So she said, Mom, I got you some cookware that kind of matches your kitchen. So when you're doing quick and easy meals, you have some better looking cookware. Now, I'm going to show you this. So when I was about, 22, and my husband and I were living in an apartment, this guy came by. How solicitors come by. So this guy comes by and he was selling cookware. So I bought this cookware set from him. Now, like I said, I was about 22, 23 years old, right? Y'all know how long that's been. Look at this cookware set. Look at the back. Look at the front. Nothing on the back is nice and clean. Front nice and clean. Let's slide around to the sides. Nice and clean. The handle's still in place. Little ring at the bottom. But now for this cookware set, I don't have the frying pan anymore. I do have the saucepan. I have a couple of the saucepans. And on the big saucepan, like the top like this, the top is kind of kind of messed up a little bit. But just to let you know that I've had it that long. Now, I do have a couple pieces that are suspect. I do have a couple pieces that are suspect. But nonetheless, I just want to let you know, I'm going to keep that pan. But she was cracking on my pans, y'all. So she comes in with these really super nice cookware. So I'm going to show you them up close, but let me just show you one. So look at these. These are really nice. So what I like is that they do match the background. Y'all see my cabinets in the back there, but like Teflon. So I'm going to come up and give you a close-up. So look at that. Very nice, right? So, and I'm going to show you who makes this is the company who makes it. And so what you do with these, which you all know, is when you place them back in your cabinets, you put these underneath and that protects your cookware. But it's really nice. I like the wooden handles. The wood grain handles on the cookware. So it's really nice. So what I have to do now, it even comes with a steamer, okay? And also what I like about it, there's a lot of pieces, but like I said, I'm going to share them with you. It comes with a ladle, a spatula, and some tongs. And all the, the glass tempered tops. And I love these glass tempered tops because you can look in and see, check in on your food as you're cooking. So I just thought that was really super nice of her. Like I said, she's a very thoughtful person. She has 3 girls of her own. Then my son, who is the IT king, he's a software engineer. He helps my husband with his business. And then my son is trying to start up his own business, and he has 2 boys, but they're really good people. So my family, what's up, family? I want y'all to know that I love you. I see you. Y'all are really some good people, and God bless you. And I just wanted to do that because, you know, we do a lot of other things like home decor, collabs, tablescapes, retail walkthroughs. But sometimes it's nice to, shout out your family. Let them know that we love them. So that's just what I wanted to do today. So I am going to put the handles on these. I'm just going to take you off so you can get a little close up. And I got to put all the handles on. Once I get that done, I'll come back and let you see what they look like. Okay, just giving you a close up. That's one, and it's sitting on the protector. That's what that's sitting on, and this is the larger pot. Here's the cookware with all of the handles and knobs put on. I love the wood grain look. As you can see, it comes with a steamer, and so that's nice. And some of these I think are interchangeable like that. You can use this for your frying pan, like if you want to saute something, or you can use it for your pots. So I really, really like this. This is very nice. So look, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the day. Today is Saturday. You guys be blessed. And until the next one, bye-bye.